Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farid Haikal bin Zailan. I will explain about the ladder diagram and the simulation design. I'm using the CX programmer for the ladder diagram, and I'm using the CX designer for the design, which is from Omron. And then okay, now we understand the system, the design here. This is the transferring load from the level 1 into the level 0 using the conveyor and the table lift. Okay, here this is a table lift, which is if the box turning into the green, that means the lifter at the up position, and then if the box here turn on, that means the table lift is the down position. Okay, this is a stopper. This is show the stopper down, and then for the stopper up, like this. And then this is present as the present sensor, overshoot, same here. This is travel sensor. Okay, this is limit switch for over limit, up and down. Okay, here we have the indicator for running light, emergency fog light, and then we have the start button, stop button, emergency button. Okay, now let's go. For start, we just press the start button, and then we can see the system is starting, and then the indicator green is for running is on, and then we can see the conveyor for level 1 and level 0 is running, which is if the conveyor from gray color into the green color, which is the conveyor is running. And then from here we can see the actual condition for the lifter actually at the limit switch down will be on. So here you can see the stopper for the conveyor level 1 is up, and for stopper at the table lift is down. Okay, if the presence sensor at level 1 detect the load, we can see the hydraulic pump motor will turning into red, which is running, and then the error that also will turning into the red, which is the table lift will going up. Okay, when the table lift is going up, we can see here the limit switch for down will not activate anymore, and then after the table lift activate at the limit switch up, the hydraulic pump motor and valve for lifter up will turn off. And then we can see here the conveyor at the table lift will running to transfer the load from conveyor level 1 into the table lifter. You can see here if the load is moving, the overshoot sensor will be on, but it will not cause the fault condition because the table lift is at the up position. And then you can see here slowly if the presence sensor at level 1 not detect the load anymore, it will continue to transfer the load until presence sensor at lift on. And then after the presence sensor at lift on, valve for lifter down will be on, and then the stopper at level 1 will be up. And then same goes to when the table lifter is going down, limit switch up will not activated anymore, then it will off, then until the limit switch down is activated, which is finished at the down position, the lifter at the down position. And then you can see here if the at level 1 not detect the load, and then the table lifter conveyor will be running to transfer the load into the level 1. And then you can see the stopper also down at the table lifter, and then when transferring, transfer load sensor will be on, which is we can see the load is at here for example. And then if the presence sensor at the table lift not on, the conveyor will be running to continuous running to transfer the load until the presence sensor at level 0 is on. Here you can see after the pressure sensor is on, the stopper at the table lifter will be on. And then after finish will be here, right this. Okay, for the interlock system, if the pressure sensor level 1 have detect the load here, when the lifter is going up and then the limit switch up is on, and the reality the lifter at the up position, but in the system detect the limit switch up and the down is high, which is the two limit switch is on. Then here the load from the level 1 will not transfer into the lift. For example, if this is happen if the limit switch at the down is malfunction. Okay, if the limit switch down is not malfunction, it will send the load normally. Same goes to the if the load at the down position here. I turn off at the down position. Okay, now it's going to down. After the limit switch down, then the lifter at the down position, actually in the reality the limit the table lift at the down position, but in the system limit switch up and down is high, which is don't know which is the actually the lifter at the up position or the down position, then will not transfer the load from the table lifter into the conveyor level 0. Okay, same goes to if normally the limit switch up is not on, then if at the level 0 have the load, the load at the table lift will not transfer into the level 0 until at level 0 conveyor is clear, which is the pressure sensor will not detect the item. That's as the interlock. Okay, for the example, for the fall condition, okay, for example, I am start again, and then here if the for the fall condition, we can see here if the load at the pressure sensor level 1 is on, and then the lifter is going up, but the limit switch at the up position is malfunction, and then activate at the limit switch over limit, the system will be stopped, and then emergency or fault indicator will be on. Okay, we need clear the fault in the reality, and then if the lifter at the down position, I am starting again. If the lifter at the down position, but overshoot sensor is on, and then this is the fault condition. This is happen when the stopper at the level 1 is malfunction. Actually the valve already give the output that the stopper need to be up, but the stopper not up, and then overshoot sensor is up, the table is at the down position, so the fault will be on, indicator fault will be on, and then the system will be stopped. I think that's all from me. Thank you.